Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and today I'll be showing you how to fix can't install Hostel World app on Play Store. So if you're finding any problem with can't install app on Play Store, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to check your internet connection whether it's very strong or not. If it's not strong, then connect it to Wi-Fi. If you are using data, do you get me? So what you have to do is go to your menu and search for Play Store. So you search for Play Store. So Play Store is around this place. So when you see the Play Store, click on the Play Store app. So wait for it to load. So as you guys can see over here, it's now loading. So it have load. What you have to do next is to click on your profile at the top right corner. So when you click on it like this, you are going to see your account details, and also you are going to see this. So what you have to do next is to click on the settings section. So when you click on the settings section, this is what you are going to see. So when you see this, what you have to do is to click on the network preference. So when you click on the network preference, you have to check the app download preference. So click on it. When you see that the app download preference is at this section where you can see over any network, it means it's going to work successfully. When you see that it's not working well, then it means you have to use a different step if it's not working for you. So the next step I'm going to teach you is this. First of all, you have to subscribe to the channel and also like the video, share the video to your friends, and don't forget to comment down below I have subscribed. Just type I have subscribed in my comment section and I'll be happy if you do that. So the next solution is, the solution 2. What you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So when you go to your phone settings like this, so guys, when you get here, what you have to do is to just scroll and search for apps and notification, or apps, or some of the phones you are going to see app management. So click on this app management and you are going to see this. When you see this, what you have to do is to click on the app settings. So click on the app settings to see all your apps. So you have to search for Google Play Store. So when you see the Google Play Store, click on it like this. After that, what you have to do is to go to the storage and cache. So click on the storage and cache. When you click on it, you are going to see clear cache at the bottom below. So click on it to clear the cache. After that, what you have to do next is to clear storage. So click on the clear storage for it to clear your storage. What you are going to see is this. All these apps data will be deleted permanently. This include any file, settings, account, databases. Then you click on OK. So after doing this, just go back. Then you search also for, so don't just go back, you have to click on the force stop. So when you click on force stop, then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, go back and also click on the Google Play Services. So when you click on the Google Play Services, you have to do the same process to it. So what you have to do is to click on the storage and cache. When you click on storage and cache, clear the cache and also clear storage over here. Do you get me? So guys, as you can see over here, clear all data. So when you click on clear all data, then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, then you go back. So this is how to fix app not installed on your phone. If you can't install any app on your Google Play Store, this is how to fix it. The first solution might help you. If your first solution did not help you, what you have to do is to do the second solution, and I hope this solution is going to be the best. Do you get me? It's going to help you. So when you are finding any problem with your Google Play Store app, this is what you have to do. So I gave you first solution and second solution. If you do not understand anything, just go back and rewatch the video again, and you are going to understand everything, because it's very simple and easy. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms who are finding it difficult to fix app can't install on Play Store. You get me? So if you can't install any app on your Play Store app, what you have to do is to first you have to go to your Play Store, you go to settings, then you check your app preference. You you have to check the network you're using to, using for Play Store. Do you get me? So if that couldn't help you, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings, then you click on see all apps, or you click on apps to see all apps, then go to Google Play Store and also Google Play Services to clear their cache storage and also force stop it. Do you get me? So thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Thanks very much for clicking on this video. If you have any question or if you have any problem, let me know in my comment section. And if you subscribe to my channel today, let me know in my comment section. Thanks very much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.